the features I get, which is super insane. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It actually works, guys. Hey, so today I'm going to show you how to increase your Snap score in 2025. So let me just open up the Snapchat, and as you can see, this is my score, but with this button, I can actually increase my score. So I'm going to turn this on, and let's see if our score goes up. So as you can see, it's just 1,273 right now. So let's just see what happens when our score increases. So hopefully we do see an increase. So let's see what we get. So as you can see, guys, it is going up. So I'm going to show you exactly how to increase your Snap score just like me. So as you can see, guys, look at that. The score is rapidly increasing. That is super insane. So if you guys are poor and you can't afford to make friends, I can show you how to increase your score without sending anyone a message. So let's get into the video, guys. So the first thing we're going to do is go to tweakmod.com, okay? So when you get to this website, just type Snapchat and then press install, and before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So during this step, we just need to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. But yeah, it's super cool, guys. So let's just give it a second to load up. So it's going to load right here, as you can see. So yeah, it's super cool. So we'll just give it a second to load, and then we just got to do that verification step, which will allow us to increase our score. So as you can see, it says missing files, so I just need to download like 2 of these apps. So like Family Island says reach level 11. Could do that. It's a game. Then there's Scanner app. You gotta search something up. And then there's Underdog Fantasy. Download, run for 30 seconds. So just do 2 of these, guys. You're gonna be all set. So I'll see you guys later. But that is how to increase your Snap score, guys, in 2025. Fully working, guys. So try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys later, and peace out.